It's your life, your mission. The world needs you. You are the one. Do you have the right vision? Do you have the initiative? The discipline? Are you committed to growing? Do you have the right foundation? The knowledge and skills? Have you examined your success plan? Do you have a pleasant personality and self-confidence? Are you a person with self-control? Do you have the enthusiasm to reach for your dream lifestyle? If not, let me remind you, your dreams are within you and it is time to wake them up. You've got a hero in you. Start living with premium life. Master the basics of success fundamentals. Join a network of like-minded people. Share your story locally and online. Become an influencer and transform your environment. If you can't decide, Premium Life will help you clarify your purpose. It will set you on your dream life track. The people that join your personal network will help you arrive there. Give them what they want to get what you want. You can't give to others if you don't take care of yourself first. If the answer is yes, you've already got whatever it takes. It all starts with you. You are the creator of your own destiny. Premium Life will accelerate your goals. It will take you to the promised land. It will build up the momentum that is necessary to move you forward. The drive will empower you, and the result will be happiness and fulfillment. Achievement will be greater than yourself. Be thankful for the lessons that lead you to the reward. You will get it because you deserve it. Empower yourself.